kitchen. In this kitchen today, I'm going to cook steamed pork ribs with crushed sticky rice and preserved black beans. It will be a very interesting cooking. Would you like to join me? Let's start. In this steamed pork rib plate, I use 0.82 kilograms pork ribs, 400 grams carrots, and 1 box of crushed rice mix. When we open the crushed rice mix box, there are 4 bags inside. 2 bags of meat marinating mix, which contain salt, potato starch, sugar, white pepper, garlic powder, chili pepper, monosodium glutamate, etc. 2 bags crushed rice mix, which contain rice, sticky rice, salt, anise, ginger, onion, monosodium glutamate, etc. I also use preserved black beans. They are black beans and salt which went through specific processes to become preserved black beans. They have very special taste, and they are very good sauce for cooking meat and fish. Now, let's cut the back pork rib into individual ribs, and then remove the fat. Add enough clean water to the container where the ribs are. Then use the hand to rub the ribs. Rub to make the blood come out of the pork ribs, and then drain water out. Set aside. Add 2 bags meat marinating mix into a bowl. Add in 1/3 cup of water into the bowl. Stir to make the mix dissolve in the water. Then dump the liquid meat marinating mix into the pork ribs. Also add 1 tablespoon cooking wine into the pork ribs. Rub for a few seconds. Then set aside for 15 minutes. Then the pork ribs can be well marinated. Now let's process preserved black beans. Chop the black beans into small pieces. I also use 2 green onions. Chop green onions into small pieces too. Heat 1 tablespoon vegetable oil in the wok over low heat. When the oil is becoming warmer, add in preserved black beans. Stir fry about 20 seconds. Then add in green onions. Stir fry until all the onions is getting softer, about 20 seconds. Now, our black beans onions mix is ready, set aside. Dump 2 bags of rice powder mix into a big plate. Prepare for use it soon. In the steamer rack, we put a layer of carrot slices. Now we hold a pork rib. Roll it in the rice powder mix. Roll it in 4 sides. Make sure each side is glued with rice powder mix. Do this process for all the ribs and arrange them on the rack on the top of the carrots. On the top of ribs, sprinkle with black beans and onion mix, including the oil. Now we turn on the heat and cover the steamer. Make sure there's enough water in the steamer for steam about half hour. Half hour already. Let's open the cover. Looking good. Let me try one. Wow, it is so wonderful, delicious food. Nobody can refuse. Would you like to try it? For the rice powder mix box and the preserved black bean sauce, you can buy from any Chinese food market. Do you like this plate? Would you like to try soon? Thank you for your coming. See you next time.